Today's video is sponsored by Arabella Hair. They sent me a really nice wig that I'm super excited for to try out. This is the box that it came in. It came with the wig, of course. I bleached the knots, so that's why it's not in here. Also, an instruction sheet with some frequently asked questions and on how to take care of the hair. And then they sent me a wig cap and a baby hair comb thingy, edge brush, I don't know what you want to call it. I'm very grateful for this because I really was in need of a new one. So I got the Highlight Honey Blonde Ombre Color Lace Human Hair Wig. This is 180 density and 22 inch. And this is what it looks like. To be honest, I bleached and plucked a little bit, but it looks pretty good actually. So this is what the wig looks like from the inside. As you can see, I bleached it a little. One thing I'm very appreciative of is this elastic band because I really want to try out a glueless method for my wigs. So it comes with an elastic band in it already, and then 1, 2, 3 combs. Oh, 4 combs actually. 2 above the ears, 1 in the middle, and then 1 in your neck. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna try out a glueless wig install because honestly I want to be able to just put it on and off whenever I like, basically. And I'm also gonna try curling it because I just need to learn how to curl hair. It looks so easy, but it's not. So let's start by cutting off the lace. So as you can see, the whole lace covers my ear even. I always forget to put on foundation or anything on my lace, and it's so annoying, like, because it makes such a big difference. Now that that's done, we can cut the lace. So I'm just looking down at my camera. I don't have anything. I mean, I'm looking down at my, what's it called? My mirror. Here. I tried to do a zigzag motion to kind of make it look natural, but I often fail in doing so. I think I'm gonna have to glue it down here and then make baby hairs around the rest of the hairline. I know it. Most of the glueless wigs have a middle part so that you don't see this, but I still feel like this is very, especially this side is very like out there. So maybe I should probably cut it a little first of all. So let me just do that. Yeah, see, that already looks much better. And then I'm also gonna do a middle part and see if that works. If not, I'm just gonna glue down the sides only. Also, I finally got a hot comb, so I'm gonna try that out as well today. First thing I noticed immediately, quite a lot of parting space. I actually don't know if this wig is 13 by 6 or by 4. But I think, yeah, I think this is by 4. I think this is by 6. Also, I didn't do any plucking on that part. I did on the side part, but not on this part. Also, if you're wondering where I got my nails done, these are press-ons, and I did film this, so I don't know if the video will be up before or after this video, but I really like them. Only thing is, I think you have to really make sure that your nails are super clean and free of any oils and all of that stuff, because my thumbs, they fell off within a day, but the rest of them are still on. So I think there's like air bubbles in here because This one fell off when I was washing my face, but this one just fell off randomly. So I have some heat protectant spray from Cantu. I'm gonna spray it on. And then I have my hot comb here and we're gonna try it out. Yeah, I can feel it's hot already. Damn. Did you see that? Flat in 2 swipes. Oh my god. Wow, I can't believe that it took me so long to purchase this hot comb. I got this off of AliExpress actually. I will try to find the link and leave it down below. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna glue down the sides because if I'm gonna do a middle part, I feel like this side is more ombre than this side, as you can see. But then again, the side part was on this side, so this was covering it. I guess that's how they kind of did it, but we're gonna try to figure it out. I think I'm gonna curl the hair. First though, I need to do the baby hairs. And then I'm gonna try it with some mousse. Oh, first cut it, of course. I am gonna grab some of my Aunt Jackie's gel just to set that mousse because I don't trust the mousse on its own to do its job. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna wear my durag for like 20 minutes. And then I am going to curl my hair. Wow, this is actually a look. This is cute. I can't believe I didn't use any glue. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna curl it. So let me do my makeup and then I will be right back. The makeup is done. Let me take off this durag. Ooh, I'm loving this color. Like, especially when I did my makeup, this looks so good. Like, even like this, it's pretty good. I am gonna try to curl it. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna use my hair straightener. I'm adding the Cantu heat protectant. So my battery just died, but I'm adding heat protectant. Wearing the durag also helped to flatten this. So if you don't have a hot comb, I guess you can just use the durag. And then I guess we can start at the bottom to kind of test it. So as you can see the lace is flipping. I think I am gonna wear this glove if my nails allow to. I really feel like I'm gonna burn my face. Oh, it worked! Hold on, I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. It's a cute little curl. It's not the best, but I need a brush. I'm gonna try it one more time. This glove came with the curling iron, by the way. There we go. This is cute. Okay. Okay, so I think you have to hold the curling iron upside down in order to get that natural wave, because as as you may have seen when I was doing the back, it would look weird at the roots. These curls look really good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is gorgeous. This is really nice. This is a whole workout though, doing this. Like, I have to hit the angles. Wow, I am actually shook. Yeah, I just want to say I'm shook. Like this doesn't even look like me. Wow, the hair feels so nice. So this is the final result, and honestly I am shook. Like, I can't even look at myself. I look like a complete different person. Like, this is just wow. Like, I'm shook. I'm just shook. I don't know if it's just me. Maybe you guys don't even like this wig. Also, the curling iron works great. The hair curls very easy. Like, I didn't have to hold it for like a minute or so. Like, just 10-20 seconds and the hair is curled. I really like the color. And honestly, yeah, I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm just shook. It's really nice. I really like, I forgot to do this piece of hair. But yeah, I really like this hair. The hair curls very easily. The color is beautiful. Like, it's the perfect color that I imagined, like based on the pictures that I saw on the website. So I'm really happy. I don't even know what to say. The hair is super soft. Also, I did bleach the knots. I didn't pluck that much on the hairline, but I did bleach the knots. And even when washing the hair, there was barely any shedding. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this wig. The hair is of great quality. The color is amazing. Like, it will save you so much time if you would try to get this color by yourself. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this hair turned out. Also, the glueless method is perfect. Like, it feels quite secure. Obviously, I think the gel helped a little, and the elastic band made it feel very secure with the clips as well. So yeah, honestly, I'm so happy with this hair. I think this is gonna be my new favorite hairstyle. I'm also gonna try like a full install, like gluing it down and everything, so that I can try some different hairstyles, like maybe, I don't know, something different than just the hair down. But I just wanted to try out the curling iron and the hot comb and the glueless wig cap method, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm really happy. I think this wig is amazing for beginners, to be honest, because I didn't pluck that much. It came with an elastic band, so you don't even have to do anything to it, to be honest. I just put foundation on the cap. Bleaching the knots is optional, to be honest. You can also just put foundation on them. I like to do both. But yeah, I really like this hair. I don't even know what to say. All I know is I'm about to take some bomb ass pictures. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below which wig of all the wig videos that I've been doing is your favorite. Also, if you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're growing and I love it. And also, I did not forget about the giveaway. It's just that there's still no flights, meaning that I can't get the items that I really want to get for you guys. So yeah, the giveaway is coming. If I reach 10K before that giveaway, then I'm probably gonna do like a double giveaway or something. I don't know. I need to figure something out. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at lilliansguy, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next... Ow! Damn! The drawer was open. That was a fail. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see more of my day-to-day life. Right now, I'm just posting a lot of things about Black Lives Matter, about all the things that have been happening, police brutality, racism, rude. So if you want to learn more about that, make sure to follow me on Instagram at lilliansguy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!